Best Robo-Advisors with AI-powered investment strategies in 2024. Step 1. Understand what Robo-Advisors are. Robo-Advisors are online platforms that use algorithms and artificial intelligence (AI) to provide personalized investment advice and manage your investment portfolios. Step 2. Identify your investment goals and risk tolerance. Before selecting a robo-advisor, determine your investment goals, e.g., retirement, wealth accumulation, or income generation, and risk tolerance, e.g., conservative, moderate, or aggressive. Step 3. Research top robo-advisors. Look for reputable robo-advisors that offer AI-powered investment strategies. Some popular options include 1. Betterment, 2. Wealthfront, 3. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, 4. Vanguard Personal Advisor Services, 5. Fidelity. Go Step 4. Check the fees and minimums. Compare the fees and minimum investment requirements of each robo-advisor. Some charge low fees or have no minimums, while others may have higher fees or require a larger initial investment. Step 5. Evaluate the investment options. Consider the types of investments offered by each robo-advisor, such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, or mutual funds. Look for diversity and flexibility in the investment options. Step 6. Assess the AI-powered investment strategies. Explore the AI-powered investment strategies used by each robo-advisor, such as 1. Machine learning algorithms, 2. Natural language processing, NLP, predictive analytics, 4. Behavioral finance insights. Step 7. Review the portfolio management. Check how each robo-advisor manages your portfolio, including 1. Diversification strategies, 2. Risk rebalancing, 3. Tax loss harvesting, 4. Regular portfolio rebalancing. Step 8. Consider the user interface and mobile app. Evaluate the ease of use and accessibility of each robo-advisor's platform and mobile app. Step 9. Read reviews and ratings. Check online reviews and ratings from reputable sources, such as 1. Trustpilot, 2. Consumer Reports, 3. NerdWallet, 4. The Balance. Step 10. Check regulatory compliance. Verify that each robo-advisor is registered with the relevant regulatory bodies, such as 1. Securities and Exchange Commission S2, Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, 3. State securities regulators. Step 11. Evaluate the customer support. Assess the quality of customer support offered by each robo-advisor, including phone support, 2. Email support, 3. Live chat support, 4. Online resources and FAQs. Step 12. Compare the tax implications. Consider the tax implications of each robo-advisor's investment strategies and management approach. Step 13. Assess the educational resources. Evaluate the educational resources offered by each robo-advisor, such as webinars, 2 blog posts, 3 video tutorials, 4 podcasts. Step 14. Consider the account types and features. Check if each robo-advisor offers various account types, such as 1. Individual accounts, 2. Joint accounts, 3. Retirement accounts, e.g. IRA 401k, 4. Custodial accounts, e.g. UGMA, UTMA. Step 15. Open an account and start investing. Once you've selected a robo-advisor, open an account and start investing with confidence. Remember to always do your own research and due diligence before selecting a robo-advisor or investing in any financial product or service. Additional tips for beginners. Start small and gradually increase your investment amount as you become more comfortable with the platform. Set clear goals and monitor your progress regularly. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or conducting further research before making a final decision. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of robo-advisors with AI-powered investment strategies and make informed decisions about your investments in 2024.